Let's see. What do I need? Like a low hum to see if you can pick up sound. I'm gonna record a voice, me humming, and loop it, so and then just keep playing it, so it'll pick up voice. I don't know if that'll work. How can I trick it? How can I get it to be a camera? I mean, a microphone. Pick up voice. Which one? What combination of things can I use to make this work based on what I bought? Where's the trick? Where's the trick? Um, Gotta lose weight. Gotta get a job so I can buy all the drugs, so I can be beautiful, so I can finally start my job, being famous as whatever you wanted me to be. Dead body. So I can be a famous dead body like the rest of them. Making yourself smaller doesn't really like give you the best self-esteem, but neither does getting fatter. Like, oh God, why don't I care that I'm getting so fat? Where's my trigger? Push my button. Hurry up. Trigger me. Until I'm just like, no, you're not doing too much, Eleven's mom. Uh, how do I get this to work?